Today, we're cooking shrimp in an orange.
Never had been seeing this yet. I dare you before my maiden take and I never see it yet. So anybody see them lie.
Listen. Hear that, people? Boy, cook and vibe. We're there, man. It is the last episode of the season, people. I hope you enjoyed season 7. Jabreds, my bridging from Kingston, is on the camera right now. Big up yourself, Jabreds.
Big up yourself.
We're there.
We're there.
You're gonna see him in a minute, people. So, you don't know, obviously we're not in Jamaica no more. We're in England. So we're gonna have a couple weeks off and then we're gonna start another season in Jamaica again. But you don't know, it's the last season. We're in UK, so who else is it gonna be? Who else?
Oi!
Hi!
Then you know, so we're there, people outside. We don't know a fire kick off, you know,
Yeah.
so yeah, man, we have some orange night up. Said we.
All right, so here we go on today, people. So you remember the first, I'm trying to do an ending, I'm trying to do a final here. So remember cooking watermelon shrimp? Don't play with me!
Close the lid, put the lid back, close it, cover it again.
Blood. Today, we're cooking shrimp in an orange. You see the orange in there? So what we're gonna do, I don't know if it's gonna work, Ringo. We don't know.
We're gonna make it work, man.
Yeah, make it work. So we've got an orange and we got some shrimp. We got some Ringo Vision seasoning. All right, we're gonna show you what we got, Jabrits. Yeah, it's what we're working with today. So, right, we got Scotch bonnet. We have to have a Scotch bonnet. Do you know what I mean, people? We got scallion, yeah? We've got an orange, which we're gonna cook in. That's gonna be our saucepan, right? We got Ringo Vision seasoning. If you ain't got the Ringo Vision seasoning yet, you see the picture of them right there? Just holler me on Instagram or Ringo Vision on Instagram. His link is gonna be in the
Make
description.
sure you get the thing, people, yeah? You need to have the flavour, not
Yeah.
one joking, people, yeah? A
So,
mad thing.
Mad thing, you know, people. We're there. You don't know, it's an exciting thing. Ringo Vision, M.R, Jabreds, enough quangins.
Catch me in Portmore with Jabreds, you're the quanging off crickets.
Yeah, man, I hope you enjoyed the season, people. But we're there, man. So, yeah, man, it's an outside team. We got no coal.
Quick and fast.
Yeah, quick. I think take just the top off.
Look what I'm gonna do, Emma.
Right, look, this is the style. This is how we're gonna do, people. I've got faith in Ringo. Yeah, I feel like with Ringo's help, this maybe can work. Because I'm not sure if you can cook in an orange, bro.
No, man, a good vibes, man.
Yeah, so we want to try and dig out some of the inside there. Quenga!
Up, you know, they are live.
Welcome to Cook and Vibe, my bro.
Hook and vibes. And feel like
Yeah.
it's a hook and vibes. eh? Big up yourself, you know,
You
they
don't
are
know,
live.
this is
How
my
they are
family,
again?
people. This is my family from Kingston. You see me? Yeah.
Straight
He's
up.
in England now. We are all our good vibes. You don't know if a link.
So
up
look
with
at
you.
now.
Right. Yeah. We're not
Ready.
waste nothing.
So, alright, look at now. We left the juice in there, yeah?
Yeah, I think we should leave the juice in there. Yeah, I think that'll probably help it cook.
This is ready to go.
Ready to go? Right.
Ready to go.
Here we go, people. Why? Yeah, people. Look, see the shrimp them there? Oi! Ringo Vision seasoning. That's what we're dealing with. That's how we're doing it.
In the man.
Yeah. Just gonna have it. Why? It's
Yes.
a mad thing.
Yes, people, remember, say you can go over to my channel, Ringo Vision, order the seasoning, people, through the channel. You can go on the Instagram. Yeah, man, me and him that auto, so I do the thing.
Yeah.
So, him I go to say thing I work. Go on
Yeah,
in that.
yeah.
Because I shouldn't need one whole of a seasoning now then.
No.
Alright, we could put them in there. So,
All right, let's go. People, why? We're just gonna put them inside. How many do you reckon we could fit in there?
I think we can fit one at a time. Put 'em in my cloth.
Are you have the lid in the bottom of it, bust open?
I look the wood.
Alright, you're not on the lid. Now take off your mitted and take off one towel. Yeah, that might fit in there.
Shrimps, you know.
Shrimp, people! You know, the watermelon shrimp was like a historic episode, so you don't know, so we have an episode. See that? Alright, what do you reckon? The third one?
No, man, like that.
We want to get one little piece of scotch bonnet in there, you know, brother. Yeah. And a little piece of scallion. You see me? Because you know, so we have to have our flavourings cook and bad. Ain't nothing too special. Just a little something. Just got to get it to stand up. Why, yoy! Alright, here we go on. Why? Little flavouring on the top. Bit of scotch bonnet. Why, oi! Ah! Yeah. Alright, so we've got a scotch bonnet lid. You see me? Now I'm not sure if this is gonna work, people. But what we got is shrimp cooking inside the orange. We're gonna see if it works. Oi, oi. Just subscribe, please. Otherwise your fingernails are going to go rusty. Right now, people, I'm running around trying to find twigs. The fire's going out. Oh, fuck, there's a trainer. Yeah. Where's the twigs that we need? Twigs them quick and fast. Why, oi. People, shrimp in the orange are cook. You see the general in there. You see me? It's the final episode, people. Yeah, man. Hope you enjoyed it, man. You see me? Don't worry, we won't be gone for too long. Yeah, man. Shrimp in the orange.
I'm good.
Yo.
I'm gonna tell the people themselves orange good for vitamin C.
Yes, it's
Yeah.
true. It's
So,
true.
Pure vitamin C shrimp are coming out right now.
Yeah.
The vitamin C
Yeah.
shrimp.
What them for do?
Eh?
What them for do?
If you like, comment and subscribe.
Hoy! And check out the artist, man. Check out his Instagram. It's right there. Check out his Vivo channel. His music's there on that. Straight out of Kingston. Yeah, it's the first time he's there in England, so good vibes.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
They are the family.
Yes, man. We're there with the family, and that's a. Whoa, yo! It's a go on, people.
It's the lid.
Is that the lid? Yeah.
Yeah.
All right then. People, you know our craziness. You know when me and Ringo link up on my thing. I don't know if he's cooking yet, but there's fire go on. And let's hope the orange just don't bust open. Hoy! Listen. You hear that, people? I don't know where we get the ideas. They're probably
I get them ideas.
You ever seen shrimp cooking in an orange in Jamaica yet?
Eh?
You never seen that
No,
in Jamaica
sir.
yet?
Them things are different.
Yo, you know
Yeah.
Ringo's thing. Make sure you check out his channel. He's got bare different stuff there on there as well. Same as Cookum Vibe. Yeah. You can hear it though. Something is cooking. Whether that's the orange or the shrimp, I don't know. But something are going, people. That's what we do, Jabez. We do creative cooking.
Yeah, man. This expensive. I mean, you can't find them things in
Yeah.
a lavish restaurant.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know what I mean? On the can't pay for it. Eh?
You can't pay for it unless you're there on Cook and Vibe. You know what I'm saying? Can you hear it, people? There's something definitely going on. Unless it's just burning the bottom of the orange. But people, you know, say the Ringo Vision seasoning's in there, the scallion's in there, and the Scotch bonnet's in there, you know what I mean? So it's a oi thing. And we ain't got no coal, because we don't need it. Alright. People, it's been about 15 minutes. Maybe 20 minutes. I reckon if the shrink, if it was gonna cook, it must have cooked by now. Ringo.
God have mercy, man. This has sitting a long time, brother.
You reckon?
This must have gone up here now.
Long time.
You reckon?
Take out the pot cover.
Alright, pick up the... Why?
Yeah, boy, look. Go in and make them say it's a bubble.
Oh, yeah.
Do a thing and go on.
Oh, it's bubbly, you know.
Yeah, man, make them say it's a bubble, man.
Yeah.
Pot cover, put on back.
Alright, so I feel like we need to go for the main event here. Yeah, people, let's go. Yeah, people. Where's the Ringo? Ah.
Let's see what I want. Oi.
There we go. Ah, it's hot. Why, oi. So let's see the main event. Is it cooked? Is it cooked? Pull out one of the shrimp. They want mind that piece of Scotch bonnet there. but it was bubbling inside there, people, so something was definitely going on.
You can see the smoke coming out.
Yeah.
You know that something just happened.
Yeah, careful your hand there, G.
Orange juice, you know, shrimp, you know.
Orange juice shrimp, yeah.
Drink some.
No, I'm good, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull out a shrimp and see if it's cooked.
Look at the heat coming up.
Yeah! You think I joke? Anything with you work, man. Shrimp cooked
Inside of an orange.
inside of an orange.
With Scotch
What
bonnet
more?
pepper.
What more can I do for season 7? I mean, I'm not sure. Ringo business season.
How it tastes?
Tastes good, got a nice little spice to it. It tastes of Scotch bonnet.
Yeah.
Tastes like orangey.
Is it 10-10?
It's 10-10.
People,
You know what I'm saying, people? So,
people, just like, comment and subscribe. Go and check out the Ringo Vision as well. And we're there.
you know what to do.
We outside.
It's been season 7. M.R. Ringo Vision.
Yeah, man.
Jobreds. In there.
I put it back on the fire, you know. Cause so pot going on when you take out some food.
We have cook some more shrimp in there.
Yeah, when you take out some food out of the pot, you can make it pot go on. Because you don't want the food for cold up, you know.
Yeah.
So you know, say, all you think of people. So we just, yeah, man, we're there, man. We're
Why
outside,
aye?
man. Outside, man. Season 7, man.
You know Tinga. Why people? The Cook and Vibe Passion Fruit Hot Sauce is now available. Yes, $4.99. Get yours ASAP. Quick. You can tag us and you can scan the code on the back. It takes you straight through to the Cook and Vibe channel. Yes, people, get yours now. The Cook and Vibe Passion Fruit Hot Sauce. Why Greetings, tell me how you're feeling. It's the big up section. You don't know where to go, people. Leave a comment in the comment section for your chance. Why, people? Yeah, man. So we are at the end of the season. Yes, come to an end. All good things must reach an end. You see me? Yeah. So what we're gonna do, people, is we're gonna have a couple weeks off. Yeah, we're gonna have a couple weeks off. And then we will return for season 8. You get me? I want to big up everyone in this season. You know what I'm saying? I want to make sure, please follow everybody, because the whole of them are family, you understand? So make sure you go follow Jobreds. You see him in the last episodes in England. Make sure you go follow Z Ice. Make sure you go follow Popstar. Make sure you go follow $1 Million. Make sure you go follow the whole crew, you understand? The whole of we there. We got White Shadow as well. We got everyone in Jamaica. We got Up and Coming Productions. It's been a joy. It's been a pleasure. You know, it's been Wally for Jamaica settings. You know, you knew what I was going before we left, people. So it was really a joy and a blessing to go to Jamaica, cook some food, give you season 7. Do you know what I'm saying? We are in England. As you've seen, it's in the last couple episodes in England. But don't worry, because we can going back to Jamaica next week and getting ready for season 8. It will be great. Go and tell your mate, isn't it? Yeah, man, people. It's Cook and Vibe. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share. It's always a pleasure. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. It really, really means a lot to me. And without you guys, this wouldn't be possible. You understand? So people, big up yourself. You understand? Every time. We're not having a big up section this week, because I just want to big up everybody and say thank you very much for your support. Respect and manners, people. I'll see you on the other side. Tell me how you feeling. We are cooking, we are all about the Mr. Green.